Alright, we're going to do how to build a chainsaw chain. Step 1. Buy a roll of chain. Skip comp full chisel. Or full skip full chisel. Okay, so you take your length. We're doing 92 link. 28-inch chains. 325. So on and so forth. 163. So it goes from here. It's just a drill bit into a nail over there. So you take your length. And then I mark the rivets with a silver Sharpie. And I have a chain breaker. You'll need one of these as well. I don't remember who this is from, but I got it for, I think it was $100. Be right back. So I mark it with a silver Sharpie. I use the grinder. I grind down the rivets, which you don't have to do, but I do.
It makes it a lot easier.
Ground down. Push the links out.
When you grind it, you usually get both.
You put your link through. Basically another piece that you just pressed out, and your yellow collet, whatever you want to call that, link. Put it in here. You tighten that down. And when you buy these, they come with two different bits. One's a cutting bit, which takes forever. And one's a rivet rounding bit. You just basically reef the crap out of this thing. Rotate this fairly fast where it melts the rivet down to a head. Loosen that up. Do the other one.
Does it matter which way you spin it?
I don't know, I've always gone that way.
Oh, okay.
That's not perfect, but close enough. There you go. I've been running these. We're doing this for about a year now.
Yeah.
Got a spool there. Got a spool underneath the
Cart
there. This is a skip comp, or full skip, full comp, full chisel. We'll see. I haven't run the Stills skip chains yet. I've run the 8, 10, numerical number 8, the letter 10. Not sponsored. I've run the Arbor Australian chain. Pretty good stuff. That's a big spider. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Yes, I'm sick, so I sound even more like Kermit.